Alright, so I'm going to attempt to install Zoom on Zorin OS. So you can see I'm doing this via VirtualBox. And this is a fresh install of Zorin. So I guess one of the first things that I would recommend if you're just booting up Zorin for the first time is to just run a couple of quick commands to make sure that your system is as up to date as possible. So I'm going to type in sudo apt-get update and hit enter. It will prompt me for my password that I used to log in, or your super user password. Typically with the student information technology services laptops that we hand out, those are one and the same. That's not necessarily recommended, but just to make it a little bit easier for our users, that's typically how we do it. So it shouldn't take too long to run either of these updates. Of course, you do need an internet connection, and you will need one to install Zoom as well. So first one, sudo apt-get update, and then sudo apt-get upgrade, which can take a little bit longer. For me, I just did this recently, so it went very quick. Oftentimes with the upgrade command, you do need to hit Y for yes to continue, in order to allow for permission for that to complete the process. But once we're done with that, there's a couple of different ways to install Zoom. One way, probably the fastest or easiest, most familiar way for most of you, is to go to the Software Center, which is this icon down here at the bottom. Just click on the magnifying glass and then type in Zoom. Now, you'll notice it's not one of the first options that appears up here, but if we scroll down a little bit, we should find the Zoom client, and this will work just fine. So I'm going to go ahead and click install, and then type in my admin password one more time. It's installing relatively quickly. So I'll just pause while it completes that. So I'm back. Download with install took a couple seconds longer than anticipated, but you can see now that it should be installed, and I have an option to click the launch button to launch the application. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and it does launch the Zoom client. Now I can join a meeting, or I can sign in, but relatively simple and straightforward procedure there.